Since I can't go live, I'm gonna go ahead and keep talking like I was gonna do anyway. God is amazing. I thank God for another day that I wasn't. You just gotta be thankful. God allowed you to see another day. I hope y'all having a good day. Because the day ain't over with. If your day is not great, make it great. That's all you can do. Keep on pushing. Stay positive. Keep your faith. And be great.